In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new HubSpot workspace account and prepare it for your customer workflow. We'll begin by opening the Chrome browser and going directly to HubSpot.com. Once the website loads, register a fresh profile and create your new workspace account. As you go through the sign-up process, make sure the information you enter is accurate and consistent with how you plan to use the account for your business or team. Starting with a clean setup helps avoid confusion later, especially when you begin organizing contacts, deals, and communication history. After your account is ready, head straight into the settings area. This is one of the most important early setup sections because it allows you to adjust the basic account properties that affect how your workspace operates every day. In particular, review your time zone and language settings carefully. Choosing the correct time zone is essential for accurate scheduling, reporting, activity logs, and follow-up timing. Setting the right language also helps make the platform easier to navigate and more comfortable for your team to use consistently. Next, connect your primary communication tracking tools so the system can automatically capture email conversations. This step is especially useful because it centralizes communication records in one place, making it easier to track customer interactions without relying on manual updates. When email tracking is connected properly, your workspace becomes a more complete source of truth for your sales or relationship management process. As you set this up, double check that the right communication tools are being linked so future conversations are logged where you expect them to appear. Once communication tracking is in place, move on to configuring your custom customer pipeline columns. This is where you shape the system around your real-world workflow instead of forcing your process into a generic structure. Think carefully about the actual stages your customers move through, from first contact to conversion or ongoing management, and align your pipeline columns to reflect that journey clearly. A well-organized pipeline makes it easier to understand progress at a glance, spot bottlenecks, and keep your team aligned on what each stage means. Finally,